use very small.
5.
Too big. Too large. Big or large, yeah. Because if you the fire is too large. Oh. No. Okay. The fire is too large. The sesame oil become bitter.
Okay.
So use a small one. Here that the change to more dark brown color, a little bit curved.
Okay. How about the garlic with chop? Just
Don't check. No, I use the dry one.
adobo. We call that in the Philippines adobo.
Adobo. What's that?
Adobo.
Adobo is what?
Like we put some soy sauce. And chicken.
Then
We call that adobo.
start fry with the egg pie.
Okay.
Then fry.
Then
Yeah. And here is the cake
Brown.
color. Yeah, you stir fry. Okay, like that. Garlic.
garlic. Sugar.
Stir fry. Then
Rice wine.
then
Water. Then cover.
Yeah, you know how to cook, right?
Oh yeah.
Cook do the same. First, yeah, you see, you can check. Is it okay?
Yeah.
About 3 minutes or 5 minutes?
I will.
Yeah. You check. Don't let it dry out. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Then the last one is
Basil.
basil. That's all. You know how to cook this, right?
Yeah, I know already.
Okay. So
It is right. Oh.
for some,
Okay.
this may use about 3 times.
3 times.
3 times. Okay, 1.
2.
Use, she will use spoon, but okay.
Okay. I put here.
No, not yet. Okay, put it in the refrigerator. Anywhere. And cut it to small pieces.
Okay.
Okay. Then soy sauce.
Yeah.
You know, soy sauce.
Okay.
How many?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
Then.
Actually, if you like, you can cut garlic to very, very small pieces.
The. Okay. This
Garlic.
one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Today, for today. Okay.
Okay.
Pour some water. And not totally melt.
Mm.
So the meat will absorb the
Oh.
water. Okay. Add some more.
Add some more
Add some more water.
water.
Okay.
Okay.
Always bend your finger
Mm.
so the knife will not cut.
Yeah, I know that already.
You know how?
Yeah. Hi, even if you're not looking.
Okay, that's good. Well, I'm in military service
Yeah.
in Taiwan 2 years.
2 years.
For 1 month, I
Oh.
worked in the kitchen.
Kitchen. Wow.
Serve about 250 people. So I have to cut every day.
Only 2 years in military.
2 years. Yeah,
2 years.
military service.
All of people in Taiwan need to go for 2 years military, you know.
Men.
Men.
Yeah.
Men only.
No. Now only 4 weeks.
Now, 4 weeks only.
4 weeks. Yeah.
Okay.
Used to 2 years. Need more soy sauce. The color, you can look at the color, right?
Okay.
Okay. And blend them. more water.
More?
More.
Water?
Water. Okay. Yeah, put something like it.
Okay. Natin may mix up yung meat. Sa rice cooker po, maglagay tayo ng tubig, then i-steam lang natin, guys. Ito po yung nakalabasan niya. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ayan. Ayan po yung meat. Ayan.